Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you a new design for a basic embossed vertical stripe pattern. The scheme consists of 4 loops and 4 rows. The embossed strip consists of 3 stitches, while the divider is made up of 1 purl stitch in the knitting structure. We'll focus on these 3 loops. To begin, cast on multiples of 4, plus 1 loop for symmetry and 2 edge stitches. The first row is on the wrong side. Slip the edge loop first, then knit 1. Next are the 3 basic loops. Knit the first from the bottom row, slip the second with thread in the back, and knit the third from the bottom row. Again, knit 1 from the bottom row, slip 1, and knit 1 from the bottom. Knit 1, knit 1 from the bottom row, slip 1, and knit 1 from the bottom. The second row is on the right side. After the edge loop, purl 1 and knit 3. Again, purl 1 and knit 3. The third row is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, knit 1 and purl 3. Again, knit 1 and purl 3. The fourth row is on the right side. After the edge loop, purl 1. Next are the 3 basic loops. Knit the first. Knit the second together with this stretch that we made on the first row. Pick up the stretch with the right hook, knit the loop, and push it under the stretch. Then knit 1. Again, purl 1, knit 1, knit 2 together, and knit 1. This unique knit has a beautiful relief and an exceptional appearance that can be used for garments and accessories. Its simplicity makes it easy to apply, even for knitting novices. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Not Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.